All right, so it is pretty custy in here, as you can tell. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is spray this down with spray 9. I don't know if it's actually gonna work, but it does say tough on grease and grime, so we'll see how it does. I'm just gonna spray everything down with this. It smells good though. All right, I gotta put a bag over the carb. All right, she's bagged up. Not really a great way to do that, but just jam the bag in there and call it a day. Shout out to my boy Calvin. This is his pressure washer. I picked it up for him, and I have yet to drop it off for him, so I still get to use it. Man, shout out to him. All right, there we go. Looking fresh and clean. That'll be so much nicer to work in. Didn't get that much water in the carb. We're looking good. Looking good. Well, it's a new day, new dawn. Time to finish cleaning out this truck. Man, I'm not gonna bore you guys with watching me clean this truck. So, get a good look for the before. So the last time I was working on this thing, what did I end up getting done here? I got the interior cleaned. Oh, it smells so much better in here. Yeah, the seats are back in it. I didn't get the carpet back in it because I need to shampoo and vacuum it some more, but I was also kind of lazy and thought, you know what, this is good enough. But we still got all of this stuff up here that we have to deal with that I'm gonna ignore and deal with later, because I am antsy to start ripping this thing apart. So today we're gonna start tearing this thing down. Start digging in here, see if the head gasket's no good. So I don't even know where I gotta start here. Oh, I guess we'll just start from the top and work our way down. Okay, let's go get some tools. First off, I'm gonna take the carb out, get that out of the way. Right, got a couple fuel lines back here. All right, carb is pretty much out. Okay, well, we can take this coolant hose out because there's no coolant in it. Oh, this has never come off before. Oh, that's rusty. Holy crap. Ugh. Gross. Do I take all these? Nah. Let's just pop all these wires out of here. Okay. What is under here? Let's pray nothing but good things. Ooh. Man, look at all the moisture that's been sitting up there from all the coolant that was in there. God, that's so frustrating. Yeah, look at that. That is a blown head gasket. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna ignore that, and we're gonna move to the exhaust side. 12 mil? 10 mil? Okay, that was definitely not stock. Yeah, it's supposed to be 12 mil. Okay, that should be everything holding this on. I gotta take this off. Oh. Okay, that's not even close to the right threads. What the hell is this? Okay, now what's holding this in? Well, you know what? What are the chances of me keeping the EGR anyway? Probably pretty slim. Oh. Yep, well, now I have to get rid of it. Okay, random EGR bracket. And heat shield. Now will it come off? Ha 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 ha! Very good, very nice. It's crusty, dusty. Well, this actually doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape. I'll probably reuse this. Silicone. Okay. Now, hopefully that's out of the way enough, because I can't really get it any more out of the way. Alright, rad fans out. Alright, let's get this belt off. Mitsubishi. What are you doing, bruh? What is this? There we go. Chuck that over there. Okay, I'm gonna have to rip all the timing stuff off of here. Chuck those over there. I have to take the water pump off. Yeah, let's start with that, I guess, eh? Water pump. Can I like zoom in on that? Come off by chance? Oh, damn, I cold smoked the rad. Whoops. Chuck this out of here. Okay, let's get in here, pop these off. Oh, man. Yeah, that is not, oh, it's so custy in there. Oh, I need to take this rad out. Maybe I just take the rad out. Maybe. Oh! Okay. That was a little easier than I was expecting. Look at that. Rusty Custy. Rusty Custy. God damn. And I ripped the seal, so gonna need a new one of those. And I spilled coolant all over the ground. Whoops. Okay, we're gonna get this rad out of the way so I don't have to worry about smoking it anymore. This out of here. Okay. Ooh, okay, this has to come off. This alternator probably has to come off too then, eh? God damn. Man, the amount of crud on this is crazy. What else? I'm really thinking this alternator has to come out. Okay, so I have to get this. There's nothing holding this distributor on except for fucking pure force. I don't know. Oh, okay. It's moving a little more now. Oh, okay, here it goes. We just had to give it a little twisty twist. Man. That was a lot easier than I was making it out to be. Okay, tuck this out of my way. Timing cover bolts. Whoa, milky. Oh. The alternator's coming with it. I might have been very wrong. Ah, there we go. So the alternator is attached. Ooh, this looks good in here. Ooh, I'm lying. Oh, that is loose as a goose, fam. Okay. Timing cover deleted. Hey guys, post-editing Colton here, and as you can tell from those last two clips, the mic died and we lost the audio, but you didn't really miss much. We got the intake off and that was about it. It fought me, but I managed to get it off, so that was all good. But I was talking to my buddies afterwards and they told me that I didn't have to take the timing apart to get the head off. I could have just took the gear off of the cam and pulled the head that way. I also didn't need to take the intake off. I could have done that after as well, but oh well, I just love making more work for myself, but that's okay. Gives me the opportunity to retime it, so hopefully I don't fuck that up. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. In the next video, we're gonna take the head off and see what condition the head gasket's in, see if that was our issue. We're also going to move the truck into a garage so that we can continue working on it, which will be nice. So yeah, look forward to that. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.